Hello everyone, welcome to our new lesson. Today we are gonna learn how to define steel truss member sections in MkaPEB. So let's get started. I am going to open our previous lessons model. So that is the steel truss. Yep, I click it and our model is loading now. Our model loaded. To assign the steel truss members, you need to click primary members button. I click it. Then I select beam truss. A typical truss has four main members. That is top and bottom chords, verticals and the diagonals of course. First you need to select the reference axis. We have one axis because we have one truss in our model. You can check here for use the same cross sections of entire axis. We click it. Now we have to select the truss. We have one truss and it's selected. In MkaPEB, there is a lot of truss member type. That is back-to-back L sections, verticals and diagonals L, and chords are U sections. Both chords and vertical and diagonal elements are U sections. Verticals, diagonals, and chords are box sections. Verticals, diagonals, chords are tube sections. Chords are I sections, and diagonals and verticals are double L sections with back-to-back distance. Also, you can make some spacing these parts. So we select the default back-to-back L section. Now it's time to select where we assign the elements. I select the lower chord. The program will show the lower chords are selected. The steel grade is default as 235. The section type is double L. Then the profile series is L. And you can select any profile if you want here. For example, I make our bottom sections 110. The back-to-back distance is 10 millimeters. Of course, the plate thickness is equal to back-to-back distance. Now select the upper chord. I made it also 110. So selecting the verticals. As you notice, when I click the verticals, frame cross-section step is also available. That means you can assign individually which sections differs from the others. For example, if I change the ID 25, for example, I make it 18.8, the mirror is also changed. The general section is L55. So the diagonals are the same. To make the modify change, you need to click Apply Change button. I click it. So we assign our truss members. Let's see our section. After Statistical Analysis button, and I push Cost Estimation button. Select cross sections. And that's it. Our cross sections are ready. See you next lesson.